In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your employees' time attendance. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to access this, then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Analyze. From the drop-down menu, choose Attendance/Employee. You should arrive at a chart showing your employees' attendance. Right now I'm seeing 1 year's worth of data. If I want, I can change that data range. If I click the arrow next to years, I can choose to view a range of dates, a day, week, month, quarter, or year at a time. Maybe I will choose month. Then I can decide if I want to view 1 month or more. I'll go ahead and view 2 months. Next, make sure your data is starting on the correct date. You can use the forward or backward arrows to adjust the date, or click the calendar icon. And maybe I want to see the months for this year, so I'll go back and choose January 1st. Next, decide which employees you would like to view. If I click the arrow next to active, I can choose to view active employees, inactive employees, or all. I'll choose all. As you can see, my employees didn't change. That's because all of these employees were active. Then choose the timesheet status. If I click the arrow next to confirmed, these are my timesheet options. I can view employees who had confirmed or open timesheets, just confirmed, just open, void, or all. Maybe I'll choose all again. Now I'm looking at 2 months worth of data for all my employees who had any timesheet entries. I can see the name of the employee, how many entries they had, and how many points they had. To view a specific employee's details, click on that employee's name. Now I can see the details of this employee's timesheet for the given date range. I can see the time entry's location, the date, the message, the status, the points, the minutes, who they were validated by, when they were validated, and any notes. That's how you can view your employees' attendance. Check out the next video to view your location's attendance.